Itong si General Petrosanta already gave the decision. Why could you not continue with that?
Yes, General
Are you
Aquino.
conflicted? Are you conflicted, sir? Yes, General Magalong.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, Your Honor. Aaron, nag-usap naman tayo. Sir, can I just,
Can you address the chair, please?
Sir, last week, nag-usap, sir, kami ni Aaron. And he told me everything. Sir. I know, Aaron, that you're in a tight situation. I'm also in a tight situation, no? We're thinking about the safety of our family. We're thinking about our own safety. No? Pero this is a fight between right and wrong. Bakit hindi mo sabihin kung ano yung sinabi mo sa akin? Bakit? Sino kumausap sa'yo? No? Dapat sabihin mo because, the only way to, clarify everything is to simply tell the truth. Aaron, please.